Hello friends, this is a box in which my project based on best out of waste is there. So let's unbox it and see what I have made in the project best out of waste.
One eternity later.
Let's see.
Obviously.
Oh wow!
Oh my God! Wow!
See friends, I have made a pen stand.
Oh my God!
And as you can see, I have made pen stand from waste sketch pens.
Nice.
Wow!
And also I have made some flowers which are also made from waste sketch pens, as you can see.
Oh my God!
So let's put something in the pen stand.
One eternity later.
Some pencils, pens, scales, scissors, and also flowers. See friends, as I told you, I have made this pen stand out of waste sketch pens.
Okay.
So you can also make this pen stand if you have waste sketch pens, pens or waste pencils.
Oh my God!
Bye friends, thank you.